Welcome to the channel. My wife and I are going to be getting back into trying to do some camping. We haven't been camping in a while, so some of our gear is outdated and disappeared over the years. So anyway, we're picking up some new items, and today I want to show you one of the items that we picked up for our camping trip that we're going to be taking here. Of course, you need lighting when you're at camping, so picked up a dual pack of LED camping lanterns. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. Let's open this up and see what comes in it. All right, let's open this up. Instructions. Okay. Two little lamps. And one USB A to C. All right, you got your power on button. Ooh. And then you have your intensity. It looks like it's got 3 modes. And then your charge port. Simple, easy. Got a handle. You can hang it on things. All right. So you could use it like this, the globe. Now, if you want to hang it upside down or something, like in your tent or off a tree stuff, this globe will twist off. So you just grab the globe, twist it, okay, and then you can put it on the bottom, and you can hang it up in the tree like this or whatever. Then it'll shine down like that. Pretty cool. Twist it. Yeah, put it back in place. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but here's your USB-C charging port. And then there's a little light next to it. So when you charge, it'll be red, and then when it's fully charged, it'll be green. Then it also has a USB-C port here that you could actually use this to charge something else if you need to. That's an output. So let's see. I'm going to plug this in and see about charging. All right, so I'm just going to plug this in to show you, and I want to fully charge this. All right, I don't know if you can see that. The red light's on. And I'll let it charge. See how long it takes. All right, while I'm letting that other one charge, I just noticed I was reading the instructions, so I just noticed this a little bit. So turn the power on. Whatever light, whatever color you want, like this is the bright one. A quick push of the mode button would change the colors, and this is more of a warm, and this is more of a blue light. Now, if you hit this button quick, it just cycles through those three colors. If you hold it, it will intensify the brightness. Press it again, hold it, it will lower, kind of like a dimmer. And this works on each of the three modes. Here's the yellow one. I'm going to hold it to bring it brighter. Press and hold again, lowers it. And let's try this one here, the nice warm light. Raises the intensity, hold it, lowers the intensity. But that's pretty cool. Three different colored lights with dimmers on it. I think this is pretty good, pretty good price. Like I said, links will be in the description below if you're interested. And while you're at it, hit some of the, check out some of my other links with products that I've used on this channel so far. Wow, plug this one in and let this one charge, and I'll be back once it's charged to tell you how long it takes. Okay, I plugged this one in at 9:30. It's 10:30. This one's green, so this one's fully charged now. So this one here I plugged in at the same time. This one's still red. So I don't know the differences, how much charge they had in the packaging, but this one, took an hour and a half. This one still going. But anyway, that's the charging of them. Quick little video. A pair of LED camping lanterns. It has three modes, different colors. Also dimmers on them so you can intensify or dim down the lights. And pretty inexpensive. So this is something that you're looking for camping, tent camping and stuff like that. Or whatever. Link will be in the description below. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. What do you think about these new inexpensive LED USB rechargeable camping lanterns? Or if you have your own suggestions, leave it in the comments. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.